Is it visible to you? Visible to you? So different operations and sets. So what are the different operations we are having here? Normally union, one union, intersection, difference, like that operations will be there. So union of the two sets is nothing but the element. Suppose A is the one set which is having the 1, 2, 3, 4, and P is the A, B, E, S, F, Q is the E, G, R, F, T. Like that, some sample sets are taken into consider here in this situation. So union of the two sets and intersection of the two sets, two are more than the two sets are, and the difference of the two sets, difference only, and the complement of a set. So these are the things we are going to learn here now. Okay, so union, what is mean by union of the two sets? Suppose if you take the example as a P 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and Q as a 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So like this, two examples if you are taking here, two sets if you are taking, P is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and Q is equals to 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 also if it is there. P union Q if you are taking. P union Q 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 also. What are the elements are present in this set and that set? All should be written together, but it should not repeat. उसमें 4, 5 है, इसमें 4, 5, 5 भी, इधर 5 है, इधर भी 5 है. So 5 should not be written two times, because as per the property of the set, 5 should not be written two times. So P union is nothing but all, only one time should you have to write this 5. Okay, so only one time should you have to write here. So this is P union Q, union of the two sets. Means union of the two sets is nothing but A and C, A, B is a set C, which contains all the elements of that are either in A or in B. Or union generally will be considered as a or condition like a union को बोलते हैं. So either in A or in B. दोनों में होता है तो भी, then we have to include. किसी एक में होता है तो भी included. So union will represent that X such that X belongs to A or X belongs to B. The union of the two sets whenever you are taking and a Venn diagrammatically represent करना है तो completely this block should be taken block. ये पूरा block को block करना पड़ता है. Means whatever it is a green color it is showing to you, that is completely A union B. A union B represent करने के लिए, so you have to take the universal set and universal set लेके A union B. So now the properties exhibited by the union of the sets, let us see. So what are the properties? A union B will be always equal to B union A, which is considered as a commutative law. We call it as a commutative law. And A union B union C is equal to A union B union C. Brackets are changing. So that is called associative law, which already you have learned previously. A union pi is equals to A, which is called as law of identity of the elements, and in this pi is called the identity element. A union A is equals to A, it is called idempotent law. And universal set union A is equals to U, it is called the law of unions. Okay. Next, coming to the intersection of the two sets. Two sets intersection. Intersection is nothing but we are going to use the symbol, reverse symbol of the intersection. That is, in this situation, you are like this, you are going to write intersection of two sets. So P is the set containing the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and Q is the set containing the 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 also there if you are considering here. And the intersection of these two sets, intersection of these two sets will be equals to what is common to the both the sets that should be taken into consideration. So intersection of the two sets A and B is the set of all those elements that are belongs to both A and B. So that means it should present in A and as well as B. So A intersection B is nothing but union में R बोलते हैं, and in the case of the intersection and बोलना. So X such that X belongs to A and X belongs to B. The intersection part is nothing but the common part only should be highlighted. This is a set A, yellow color में ले, and A purple color B. If you are considering दोनों को common part क्या है? That is represented by intersection. So intersection of the two sets is like this. And if you consider the C set as a 2, 4, 6, 8 and D set as a 3, 5, 7, 8. C is 2, 4, 6, 8 and D is 3, 5, 7, 9. So like these two sets if you consider 3, 5, 7, 9 also. दोनों का intersection क्या है? Nothing is there. Different sets are. इसमें क्या है वो elements इसमें नहीं है. So empty set. The two sets intersection is in intersection of the two sets is here empty. So when the intersection of the two sets is empty set, then they should be drawn Venn diagram whenever you are drawing. Separately you have to draw. So now let us see the some laws. A intersection B is equal to B intersection A hoga. That is called commutative law. Same associative law will be there. A intersection B is intersection C is equals to. Next, law of pi R union. इसको law of pi R means pi intersection A is equals to pi. Do remember this point here. Pi intersection A is equals to pi and union means intersection means दोनों में common है. एम्प्टी सेट को एनी सेट को इंटरसेक्शन क्या होगा? एम्प्टी सेट होगा बिकॉज देयर इज नो कॉमन एलिमेंट, उसमें एलिमेंट ही नहीं. तो देन वी आर गोइंग टू गेट पाई. यूनिवर्सल सेट इंटरसेक्शन पाई. So every set is subset to universal set. Every set is subset to universal set. So in that situation, whenever you are taking, you are going to get the A. So an A intersection, two same sets का intersection same होता है. That is called the idempotent law. This is called as idempotent law. Okay, and A intersection B union C is equals to A intersection B union A intersection C, which is called the distributive law. We call it as a distributive law. Three sets whenever you are taking into consider the intersection of A and B union C. B union C is written like this. And A के intersection क्या है? Intersection with A. Intersection with A is nothing but the part we are going. The highlighted part, whatever it is shown to you, that you are going. In the second figure, in this second figure, the whatever it is shown to you, that is A intersection B. Here it is whatever it showed A intersection C. So A intersection B, A intersection C, and here A intersection. ये दोनों को combine कर लिया है, union कर लिया है. Then we are going to get the same. So that is distributive law. Okay. Next thing is difference of the two sets. Difference is nothing but minus subtraction नहीं करना है. The elements which are present in first set but not in the second set, वो first set में होना है. X is the set containing the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Y is the set containing the 5, 6, 7, 8. Y is the set containing the 5, 6, 7, 8. So in this situation, X minus Y is nothing but the elements which are present in X but not in Y. The elements that are present in X but not in Y. वो क्या होगा? Can you tell? X में होना है but Y में नहीं होना. What are the elements we are going to get? 2, 3? No. 6 is both present in both.
2, 3, 4.
That's all. Only 2, 3, 4. 7, 8 नहीं लेना है. We should not take the 7 and 8. Only we should take the 2, 3, 4 only. Okay. So the elements that are present in both, but only in X but not in Y is represented by the common elements. What are there? So 7 and 8 cancel कर लिया. देखो 7 and 8 should not be taken. Suppose Y minus X is given to you, then only 7 and 8 should be taken, not 5 and 6. If Y minus X is it is given, X minus Y is equals to 2, 3, 4 we are going to get. Now Y minus X is nothing but the elements which are present in Y but not in X. The elements which are present in Y but not in X should be considered. So in that situation, what we get? 2 and 3 should not be taken into consider. Only 7 and 8 you are going to take. 7 and 8 only we are going to take. So X minus Y is not equal to Y minus X. That's why we say that it does not follow the commutative law. X minus Y, X minus Y Venn diagram में represent करना है तो only left side part, ये देखो green color में क्या shade कर लिया, that part will be X minus Y. And Y minus X is nothing but, so this side, whatever the part is in the second figure, whatever it is, the elements which are present in Y but not in X. The elements which are present in Y but not in X will be second figure green color shading, whatever you are going to get it, that will be taken into consideration. That is X minus Y and Y minus X. Okay, is it clear to you? And A minus B, when you write in the set builder form, X such that X belongs to A and X does not belongs to B. B minus A लिखना है तो X belongs to B and X does not belongs to B. The next topic in this is complement of a set. What is it? Complement of a set. So set the complement, how do you write here? Complement of a set means you write, suppose n is a set of the natural numbers, W is a set of the whole numbers, okay, and W minus n, whenever you take it, it is written as a W if you consider as a universal set. W को universal set consider. Universal set से किसी set को subtract कर लिया तो means subtraction is nothing but difference. Whatever you will get, that is called complement of the particular set. So in this, n complement is equals to singleton set 0. So complement of a set is nothing but let U be the universal set and A be the any subset of universal set. Then the complement of A is the set of all the elements of U union, but not in A. A में क्या है वो छोड़ के बाकी सब लेना. So that is just like a universal set. Now here universal set Venn diagram में represent A set is this one. A का complement बोलो तो ये outside part. Complement of A is completely outside the A, whatever it is. So the complements of the set depends upon the universal set. अभी universal set natural number set है तो वो एक तरह आएगा. If it is the whole number set, it is one type you are going to get. So it depends upon the complement also. So A complement is equals to mu minus A. Universal set minus A. Any universal set can be taken into consideration. So if n dash, the z is an integer if it is taken into, then different reality. A subset of the universal set is the, then it is a complement A dash also is subset of. The complement of the union of the two sets is the intersection of the their complements, and the complement of the intersection is of the two sets is the union of their complements. See, ये थोड़ा सा everyone have to concentrate here, which is called as a De Morgan laws. A union B whole complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. इंटरसेक्शन होगा, यूनियन का होल कॉम्प्लीमेंट मींस इंटरसेक्शन आएगा. ए कॉम्प्लीमेंट इंटरसेक्शन बी कॉम्प्लीमेंट. ये इंटरसेक्शन बी होल कॉम्प्लीमेंट इज नथिंग बट ए कॉम्प्लीमेंट यूनियन बी कॉम्प्लीमेंट. होल कॉम्प्लीमेंट whenever it is said, we call these class as a De Morgan class. Idempotent class क्या है? Can anyone tell? Idempotent class.
A union A is equals to A.
A union A is equal to A. A intersection A is equals to A. They are called idempotent class. Okay, do remember that. Okay, lastly of the other method. So De Morgan class is nothing but this. So the complements of last क्या है? A union A complement whenever you are taking, it is equal to union universal set. A intersection A complement is 5, and the complement of the complement is same set. Complement of the complement, and one set complement of the complement is it. So once again I will recall the these concepts to you, that whenever you are taking into consider, so De Morgan laws क्या है? A union B whole complement is equals to A complement intersection B complement. A intersection B whole complement is equals to A complement union B complement. Okay, so what is the complement of the empty set? Empty set का complement universal set है. यूनिवर्सल सेट का कॉम्प्लीमेंट एम्प्टी सेट.